content marketing. The goal of content marketing is to draw in and keep your target audience interested by producing and giving helpful information, showing and explaining your brand's knowledge and assisting others in connecting with what you have to offer are the objectives. It's not only about making a quick sale, it's also about establishing relationships and trust by providing people with entertainment or information that they value. Blog entries, videos, podcasts, infographics, emails, and social media posts are a few examples. Types of content. Vlogs. Written articles that exchange knowledge or viewpoints on a website. Videos. Brief or lengthy videos that provide entertainment, education, or promotion. Infographics. Infographics are visual representations of data or information that are simple to understand. Podcasts. Podcasts are audio programs on a variety of subjects that listener can enjoy. Emails. Notifications of news, deals, or advice delivers to subscribers. Posts on social media. News, pictures, or videos posted on Facebook or Instagram add a little bit of body text. Content strategy and planning. Content strategy is about planning how you will create, manage, and share your content to reach your goals. It means thinking about what kind of content will help your business, who it's for, and when and where you will share it. A good strategy starts by knowing your business objectives like increasing brand awareness or getting more customers, and then deciding what content will help you reach those goals. Planning also includes making a schedule, editorial calendar so you stay organized and consistent. Introduction to copywriting. Writing words that encourage people to take action, such as purchasing a product, subscribing to a newsletter, or clicking a link, is known as copywriting. Copywriting isn't just about writing, it's about getting the reader or spectator to react. Clear, captivating language encourages readers to take action. It appears in advertisement, emails, films, websites, or and more. Tools: Grammarly, Canva, Google Trends. Grammarly, an online tool that checks your writing for grammar, spelling, and style mistakes. It helps you write clearly and professionally, whether it's for emails, blog posts, or social media. Canva, a design tool that makes it easy to create graphics, presentations, social media posts, and more. You don't need to be a designer to use Canva. It's simple and has many templates and features. Google Trends, a tool that shows you how popular certain search terms are over time. It helps you find out what topics are trending, which can guide your content, ideas, and marketing efforts.